Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today's topic is extremely valuable. How can you coach yourself effectively in trading? Self coaching means you help yourself grow and fix your own trading mistakes. Athletes often watch recording of themselves playing to identify errors and improve. You can do exactly the same in trading. Here's a practical, helpful tip. Film yourself trading or use software to screen capture your trading sessions. While trading, keep your microphone on and explain out loud why you're entering each position. It might feel strange at first to talk to yourself, but believe me, it works. Later, when you calmly watch your recording, you'll spot clearly why you entered losing trades and see errors that weren't obvious when trading in real time. Let's say you've waited all day to make a trade. By the afternoon, you become impatient and enter without a proper setup. Watching your recording, you'll clearly see this impatience and understand how your emotions affected your trading decision negatively. Recognizing these avoidable mistakes is the first big step toward becoming a more disciplined trader. Self coaching lets you analyze yourself honestly and clearly. You'll see repeated mistakes, emotional biases, and impulsive decisions easily. Then, by being aware of these errors, you'll learn to stop repeating them and improve significantly. Trading demands maximum discipline and clarity of thought. Self coaching can truly help you become disciplined, impartial, and much better at trading. Remember, successful trading requires acting like a disciplined machine, avoiding emotional reactions and impulsive actions. Give self coaching a try. It's free, effective, and will definitely make you a better trader. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please comment, like, and share with others. See you soon.